Hi everyone, hope you're all okay. I'm Ian Fennelly and I'm in my studio at the moment, and I want to tell you about my new series of online workshops that I put together for you with Studio56boutique.com. It's Sketching Paris, which is just the most amazing city, and I've loved doing them because during this series of workshops I've just imagined myself, strolling through the boulevards, going into the cafes and bars, walking across the bridges, going into all the basilicas, and there are 4 workshops that we put together for you. The Sketchbook Maktra, which is this amazing view looking down the kind of windy streets to the Sacré-Cœur Basilica in the background. There's sketching the Pont Alexander, the amazing bridge that goes across the River Seine with all these amazing winged horses and cherubs' bottoms and gold leaf and all this kind of stuff. There's sketching the Eiffel Tower, which is looking down the boulevards. You get a nice context of the kind of the city and this huge imposing building in the background. And there's sketching the Sacré-Cœur, which is on top of the Montmartre hill with all these kind of rooftops in the foreground. Now I'm going to be using a limited palette. There's only 4 colours for each workshop, which you'll be given the information on, different 4 colours for each one. It's going to be broken down into lots and lots of steps. There's about 7 or 8 steps to each one, which is fully explained.
You can subscribe to just one workshop, or at a discount, you can subscribe to all 4 of them.
You just need to go on the Studio56boutique.com website, go on the drop-down menu, find the online workshops, and I hope you can join me. It's going to be great fun. So bye for now, everybody.